Ella always checked social media before bed. Every swipe showed someone living a life better than hers. New places, new clothes, perfect bodies, perfect smiles. She stared at her small room and sighed, "Why is my life so boring?" One afternoon, she bumped into a classmate who looked popular online, always happy in every post. But in person, she looked exhausted, almost sad. Ella asked if everything was okay. Her classmate forced a smile and whispered, "Not really. I just post smiles so no one asks questions." That moment hit her. Ella realized the truth. Online, people show what they want others to see, not what they're really going through. Moral of the story: don't compare your life to someone else's edited version. Everyone has struggles they don't post.